Welcome to our series on shared templates in LateNode. These are ready-to-use automations you can access, clone, and customize for your needs. In this video, we'll explore how you can leverage the power of AI to generate text and interact with users in a chat room based on shared template for AI chat interaction. First, let's briefly talk about the AI model we'll be using. The Mistral 7B Instruct model is highly efficient and versatile, capable of performing a wide range of natural language processing tasks. It can generate coherent and meaningful text, answer questions, translate between languages, analyze tone and emotion, summarize text, classify text into categories, and even suggest ways to continue or augment a text. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of setting up the node to generate text. We'll be using the Mistral 7B Instruct prompt node. User prompt. We'll start by configuring the node with a user prompt. For this example, let's use the prompt, generate text with a description of the season winter. Max tokens, answer size. Next, we'll set the maximum number of tokens or the size of the response. We'll set this to 256 to ensure we get a detailed description. Execution and output. Once we've configured these parameters, we run the node. The output will be in JSON format, containing the generated response and a status indicating the action was successful. Here's an example of what the JSON output might look like. And that's it! With just a few simple steps, you've set up an AI node to generate interactive text responses. Thank you for watching this tutorial on using LateNode's shared templates for AI chat interaction. Be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tutorials.